हेलो चिल्ड्रन। हेलो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों। वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट शेप्स। हम शेप्स को पढ़ेंगे, 2D शेप्स को। ठीक है, तो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सर्कल। A circle has one side and no corner. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Each side is the same length. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangles have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Heptagon. Heptagon has 7 sides and 7 corners. Octagon. Octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video and my clips, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.